A very good morning to you all students. I am Mrs. Tanya, your English teacher. Now yesterday as I told you about the pattern of informal letter, notice and email. So today I am giving you an example. Now see, this is a notice. Your school is conducting an inter-school debate competition and students of class 9 to 12 can participate. Give their name to the English teacher. Now this is the question. Now inter-school debate competition, that is the main heading, but before that, as I told you have to give a creative heading. So I have given a creative heading, war of words, and main heading is inter-school debate competition. Date on 20th May 2020 from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. in the hall of Karma School. Now this is marks. Now this war of words, you will get 1 marks. Inter-school debate competition, 1 marks. Date 1, time date half, time half, in the hall of Karma. Now in the hall half of Karma School half. If anyone is missing, you will not get any marks. And the last is the audience, students of class 9 to 12 who all are interested. Kindly give your names to your English teacher, Miss Sophia. Now this is the audience part. Now here you will get 1 marks. Okay, so this much only you have to write in notice. If this format you will follow, this way you will write, you will get definitely full 5 marks. Now see the email connected to the notice. Write an email to invite a teacher from your neighboring school to be a judge for the competition. Now same connectivity of the notice is given in the email. You have to invite a teacher from your neighboring school to be as a judge. Now see, email ID of the judge, of the teacher whom you are inviting. So any name, something you can give. Write the Gmail ID. Subject means what is your purpose. So same thing, invitation for judging the inter-school competition. Now dear sir or madam, I would like to invite you. Now this word invite or organize, we are going to organize, I want to tell you, this all thing is the opening sentence. Invite you to our school to be a judge for the inter-school debate competition. Now same date, time and venue will be copied from the notice. 20th May 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. in the hall of Karma School. Now this is the same part of notice. Now last is the closing line. Kindly accept our invitation and please do come, waiting for the positive response. This is again half marks. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Neha Singh. Now see, this is the last one also of half marks. Same like letter pattern, yours faithfully, Neha Singh. So this way you have to write the email. What structure I gave you yesterday, same way this is a question and you have to follow. So this both you have to copy down in your, you have to note down in your copies. Now see, 3 question I have given. One of informal letter, write a letter to console your friend who failed in the recent pre-board exam and advise him to work hard and give some positive thoughts to bring him out from the sad mood. Okay, your friend has been failed in the pre-board examination. You have to write a letter, you have to advise him how to work hard, what to do, give some positive advice and also make him out from his sad mood. That is a letter. Now second, third, notice and email. Your school is conducting an art exhibition. Draft a notice for the students of class 9th and 10th are allowed to take part and must give their names to the art secretary. You have to draft a notice for the students of class 9th and 10th who are allowed to take part, and they have to give their names to the art secretary. Now email is what? Write an email to invite the principal of your neighboring school to be a chief guest of the day. For that art exhibition, neighboring school principal will be the chief guest. So this 3 is your homework you have to do in your copy, but before that you have to write this, that is the structure what I gave, the pattern of email and then the pattern of notice. This notice and email both with the question you will write down, and then you will do this 3 question. One is the informal letter, as yesterday I told you that, and one notice and email. This way you have to do it. I hope you understood. Thank you so much.